Look at the gear, yeah, we top tier. Shining so bright, make it look clear. Switching the lanes, pushing the gear. We don't do average, we only stay top tier. Making them jump when the beat drop here.
Let's go!
We at the summit, you stuck in the rear.
Touching the way that I sound, chasing the bag, yeah, we do it for real. Look at the numbers, they know it's a deal. Counting the profit, I stack it up high. Ain't no limit, we touching the sky. Haters keep talking, they stay on the net. I'm in the zone, yeah, I'm collecting the debt. Ride with the squad, we don't ever look back. Dropping the heat on the heavy ass track. Listen to that snare, look at the flash. We came for the respect, but we leaving with cash.
Look at the gear, yeah, we top tier. Shining so bright, make it look clear. Switching the lanes, pushing the gear. We don't do average, we only stay top tier. Top tier, top tier. Yeah, making them jump when the beat drop here. Top tier, top tier, top tier.
Let's go!
We at the summit, you stuck in the rear. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. They wanna mimic the style, they wanna copy the way, but they cannot handle the fire we made. Countdown from 3, feel the pressure increase. 1, 2, 3. Now let's release.
We breaking the matrix, we doing it right. Working the shadow, but shining the light. Your favorite rapper is losing the steam, while we are out here living the dream. Fresh out the studio, straight to the stage. Turning the book, yeah, we flipping the page. Check out the cadence, it's sharp like a knife. This is the lifestyle, this is the life.
Top tier.
Status confirmed. Yeah, we did it again.
Top tier.
Nothing less.